Are you sick of trying to beat the social media algorithms, figure out the constant changes, and want to get off the hamster wheel? I know you because I was you. I was so over trying to figure it all out and keep up. It was soul destroying. Social media felt like a necessary evil. It was a total time suck. I was putting in so much time without getting real results. That's when I discovered that I could get clients without using social media in less time and costing less money. What happened for me? Well, I actually got more leads, I converted more of these into clients, and I was working with the perfect fit clients. Now, I want to teach you the same framework I used. Sales Without Socials helps solo service-based business owners master a reliable, consistent, and repeatable way to generate leads and sales in 15 minutes a day without posting on socials 5 days a week. So you can stop chasing algorithms and start landing dream clients on repeat. And here's the best news yet. I'm about to launch my VIP foundation round in this program. I'm looking for 10 owners of service-based businesses who want to get off the social media hamster wheel, get a massive 50% discount and VIP access, which won't happen again. Curious and have questions? Then click on the link and get more details.